Good evening, guys. Hello and welcome to day number 10 of Pushing Hard. And today is chest day, chest and shoulders. And chest days are always super excited. The course of action for chest would be two push, one fly. Same goes for the course of action for shoulder would be one push, one lateral raises, and one shrug. That's it for today's course of action. We'll see if there's any change. अभी तक तो यही प्लान है. And second thing, Ahmedabad में the rain is super crazy, man. Shit, man. You cannot find this kind of rain ever before. Actually, according to me, I haven't um, imagined this kind of rain before this before this point of time in my life. It's crazy, man. I think if there's any uh, pause in our training sessions during this month or the upcoming month, the sole reason would be this rain only, and no other factors around it. But yeah, we'll try to manage and try to keep our spirits and discipline high to get our training sessions pretty much every day. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see you inside the gym for the incline chest press machine. Let's go. So we are done with our pretty much basic warm-ups and also done with our warm-up set, two warm-up sets on incline chest machine. And now let's go for our very top set. 22.5 is loaded on each side. Let's go. Good set. We got 6 strict or else 7 strict. I don't know exactly, but yeah, we got 6 or 7 strict. 2 or 3 partials was a great set. Now let's go for our very last drop set because हम दो ही top working sets करते हैं and all of around that would be the warm sets around the top set to complement the top set. Yeah, would do a drop set for 22.5 and 17.5 on the drop weight. Yeah, let's go. Great set, man. Awesome. The first moment was super great that I pretty much consolidated my whole chest exercise on the incline chest fly only. And then the whole chest burnout is great, but still we got few moments for the overall chest development. Yeah, let's get that as well. Welcome back, boys. So it's time for decline chest press, and it's already because it's our second movement of the day, so we do not want more than one warm up set. I already did my first warm up set with 20s. It's 20s and 10s loaded on each side, 30s for the very first top set. Let's get this for. I don't wanna get the rep range right now because we'll go till failure. That's the plan. Let's go. Sure. Lightweight. Sure. 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 Great set, man. Awesome. By the way, that banging weight wasn't intentional. It was just the sign that we go till failure. And I generally tend to. I was not doing this machine before. Uh, I was at the older gym. When I got the hang of this machine, it is great machine to try for the overall chest development because most of the times you can tackle the upper chest, middle chest, but the lower chest, the emphasis on the full chest muscle, you cannot do that with just dumbbells. You need a short phase for 1 month or 2 months on complete machine for chest, exact muscle isolation on that, and I can feel the best on this machine. So yeah, we'll go for one more drop set on this with 35s, I think. 35s, yeah, 35s and 25s would be the drop weight on this set. I wanna record that set right now, but yeah, we'll do 35s and 25s on as drop. Let's go. Welcome back, boys. So we are done with our decline chest press. It's time for a chest fly. Already done with our two warm up sets with 25s and 30s. It's time for our very first top set, 40 kgs, and then probably a drop set for 45s and 35s. That's the plan. Let's go. Sure. 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 Great stretch, man. Awesome. So it's time for side. So it's time for lateral raises and shoulder press. we have to go into the weight section for this because I want to do dumbbell side raises. So no voiceover over there because of the music, but yeah, let's go. So we are done with our chest day and shoulder day. Pretty great chest day, not gonna lie. It was 9 on 10 chest session, and provided the fact that we did shoulder raises on plates rather than the dumbbell, the plate emphasis was great. Was the main reason to do plate was just to shock the muscle a bit because since last past few weeks we were just doing the rope side raises and not the rope and dumbbells and not the normal side raises, so I was feeling a kind of less stimulus on that, so did plate lateral raises. Clip dal dunga, you can watch that. Also, we did 17.5 on the very first shoulder press, 15, no, 17 again, 17.5 again on the shoulder press on the second set, and the last drop set was 15s and 10s for as a drop. So that was pretty much it about the shoulder press. And lastly, we did shrugs, few shrugs here and there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow, day number 11 of pushing hard.